Hi everyone, welcome to Tungabhadra Networks. We have a special guest, Uma. You know, right, Uma? She was having just 2 years of experience and she cracked the job in Juniper and with the package of how much, ma?
16 LP.
16 LPA, 2 years, 16 LPA. And she gave an interview in YouTube and that went viral. Almost 50,000 plus students watched it. And also she gave an interview and also success story. She inspired a lot of women. Okay. So skill does matter. She proved it again. Skill does matter. So I have some few questions, like just like a podcast. So I would like to know. I was also ex Juniper employee, but I want to ask her. So now HP acquired the Juniper, right? So I would like to know how the company is, how the TAC role was, and I just want to get the TAC experience information from her. Hi, Mauma. How are you?
Hi, Mia. I'm good. What about you?
I'm fantastic. You're saying right. So when you were here as a student, how many branches we had?
We have one in Hyderabad, right?
Yeah, one only. Now within 3 months, we have 4. This is the 4th one, and this is the main one because a lot of networking companies are here. Yeah, that's why. Yeah. Okay. So how is the Juniper experience?
Juniper experience is really great. As a knock, I'm not actually knock engineer. You all are know.
Yeah.
But the thing is here, we are able to learn lot of things, like not only that particular thing like hardware like RMAs and the transient issue, like our protocol level issues and upgrade. We are going to lot to learn here. The thing is, it's totally different, the product base and the service base. That is the main difference I'm observing while doing my job. And the main one is while connecting with the customers, like we have customers and vendors. So it's helping me a lot, like it's a packet level capturing while I'm studying in a TBN. It's really helpful. And then, yeah, that's it.
Yeah. So you worked as a, you worked in TCS, right? So TCS is a service-based company. Now Juniper is now HPE. So it's a product-based company. So what is the main thing you observe between service-based company and product-based company?
The main thing is the work culture. It's a totally different in TCS and in product-based. I like HPE.
Which one is the better?
HPE is the better one.
Okay. And what is the main difference?
The main difference is skill,
technical skills. I thought you will say package.
Yeah, that is package also. That is the biggest difference between my as I worked as a fresher, right, in TCS. In TCS I joined as like 1.9 LPA. I know it's my starting package. I joined as a fresher, but I joined in Kerala. As per the Kerala government, they given like 2.2 LPA. So as per the Kerala government, every individual employee need to get 20,000 per month. So based on that, I get 20,000 per month. So actual my package is 1.9 LPA. Then after I worked in TCS, then I have a thought like I want to switch. I want to get a core technical skill. So in that meantime, I searched a lot of things in YouTube. So suddenly there is a one YouTube video like a DNS and DHCP. Me choptunar DNS DHCP. So just what I thought like, okay, I can learn from these videos only. Then after why I don't want to join here. It's good to join, right? I want to learn.
No, when at what time she called? Around 10:30 PM because she came from office at around 8:30 and after that, so she used to text me at 12:30 AM. About what technical queries. Even though since I was an entrepreneur, right, it was a sleepless nights for me. I was building a lot of tools for students and I was still not sleeping at the time. So I was helping her. Anyhow, she's one of the best student. Yeah.
Yeah. Even I texted sir like at around 12:31. He will instantly reply like within 2 minutes, within 5 minutes. This is the scenario. This is the packet capture. This is the issue. You need to focus on this. Yeah, that's really helping me a lot. Like I don't have a time while doing my shifts, so I have only time after my shifts. Yeah. So in that time, I need someone to help. Like I have any doubts. So at that time, who will reply with this all queries?
And now my team is also there. Yeah, we're supporting a lot. Yeah.
Vinay and Rajesh and helped me a lot. Like while doing that resume. Actually, you only did all the things inside my resume. Yeah.
Yeah. So such a fantastic journey. So what you will suggest to the experienced candidates and freshers about this technology? Now you are into the good product-based company and you are for routing team, right?
Yes.
Routing is the main core thing. And what do you suggest to the freshers and experienced candidates about this technology?
About this technology, I suggest only one thing. We need to focus on the basics things. We are all know this configuration. Everyone, experienced people must they know, but we need to focus on the basics like this DNS and DHCP in packet level, packet capture. Everything like a packet capture. Like we need to know everything like bit to bit what is happening inside that packet flow through packet flow. So it will help a lot.
Okay, so thank you so much for coming here, and you are the best student. Like you, after watching your video, a lot of people inspired. You know Rashmi, right?
Yes, yes.
So she also got a job with 16 LPA, 16.2 LPA induction. She also want to meet, but I think she's not available in Bangalore. But definitely, once we already open a branch here, maybe she will come. And lot of women are getting a job in product-based company. Some people are asking like, why only women is getting? Is there any gender discrimination, or people are helping only females? It's not like that, right? There is no. It's
Actually, in my L1 routing, most of the employees are only men's. Women's are very less.
Yeah. Look at that. So there is no male and female. If you have a talent and good skills, yeah, you'll get the job. There is no. So companies need talented people, not gender-based people. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, ma, congratulations once again. Thank you so much. All the very best. Yeah, definitely. Now you don't need my guidance. You are the expert now. So I was ex Juniper TAC engineer. Now she is a TAC engineer. You will learn everything at packet level. So move to L2. Now you're in L2 or L3?
L1.
L1. And now soon you'll become a L2.
Chances to
And
move
L2 after that L3. And after that L4. So yeah, L4 is the final one. Then technical manager. Juniper is a fantastic company. Yeah. So soon, if everything is going good, I may handle a Juniper projects also. Let's see. Hope. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma. All the best. Yeah.